Rhinoceros is a commercial 3D computer graphics and computer-aided design application software developed by Robert McNeel Associates, an American, privately held, employee-owned company that was founded in 1980. Rhinoceros geometry is based on the NURBS mathematical model, which focuses on producing mathematically precise representation of curves and free-form surfaces in computer graphics. Rhinoceros is used in processes of computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, rapid prototyping, 3D printing and reverse engineering in industries including architecture, industrial design, product design as well as for multimedia and graphic design. Rhinoceros is developed for the Microsoft Windows operating system and OS X. A visual scripting language add-on for Rhino, Grasshopper, is developed by Robert McNeel Associates. Overview. Characteristics. Rhinoceros is primarily a free-form surface modeler that utilizes the NURBS mathematical model. Rhinoceros application architecture and Open SDK makes it modular and enables the user to customize the interface and create custom commands and menus. There are dozens of plugins available from both McNeel and other software companies that complement and expand Rhinoceros capabilities in specific fields like rendering and animation, architecture, marine, jewelry, engineering, prototyping, and others. File format. The Rhinoceros file format is useful for the exchange of NURBS geometry. The Rhino developers started the Open NURBS initiative to provide computer graphics software developers the tools to accurately transfer 3D geometry between applications. An open-source toolkit, Open NURBS includes the 3 decimeters file format specification, documentation, C++ source code libraries and .NET 2.0 assemblies to read and write the file format, on supported platforms. The McNeel Wiki has more current information. Compatibility. Rhinoceros offers high compatibility with other software as it supports over 30 Canadian dollars file formats for importing and exporting. The following CAD and image file formats are natively supported. When opening CAD file formats not in its native 0.3 decimeters file format, Rhinoceros will convert the geometry into its native format. When importing a CAD file, the geometry is added to the current file. When Autodesk AutoCAD's file format changes, the Open Design Alliance reverse engineers the file format to allow these files to be loaded by other vendors' software. Rhinoceros import and export modules are actually plugins so they can be easily updated via a service release. Rhinoceros service releases are frequent and freely downloadable. Rhinoceros 5-star Radiance 10 can import and export DWG-DXF file formats up to version 2014. Rhinoceros is also compatible with a number of graphic design-based programs. Among them is Adobe Illustrator. This method is best when working with a vector-based file. Start by saving the file and when promoted save as Adobe Illustrator. From there you are able to control the vectors created in Rhinoceros and can be further enhanced in Adobe Illustrator. Scripting and programming. Rhinoceros supports 2 scripting languages, Rhinoscript and Python. It also has an SDK, and a complete plugin system. One McNeel plugin, a parametric modeling visual programming tool called Grasshopper, has attracted many architects to Rhinoceros due to its ease of use and ability to create complex algorithmic structures. Plugins and add-ons. Commercial third-party plugins for Rhinoceros include Analysis, Scan and Solve for Rhino completely automates basic structural simulation of Rhino solids, Diva for Rhino by Solema LLC, Environmental Analysis for Buildings. The plugin was initially developed at the Graduate School of Design at Harvard University and is now distributed and developed by Solema LLC. Rendering, Brazil for Rhino. Brazil Rendering Engine for Rhino by Robert McNeel Associates, Keyshot by Luxion, Rendering and Animation, Maxwell Render for Rhino by Next Limit Technologies, NVIDIA iRay for Rhino by NVIDIA, Real-Time Renderer plugin for Rhino by Autodesk, Rendering, V-Ray for Rhino by Chaos Group, Rendering, CAM, MadCam by MadCam AB, Mold and Die CAM system for 2.5, 3, 3+2, 4 and 5-axis toolpath creation, RhinoCam, RhinoArt, Rhino 3D Print by Microsoft, machining, rapid prototyping, animation, Bongo integrated animation for Rhino 5 by Robert McNeel Associates, miscellaneous, Rhino Gold, Rhino Nest. Rhino Emboss, Clio by TDM Solutions, jewelry, manufacturing, modeling, Visual ARQ by US Unicad, BIM architectural modeling tool, Rhino Works by Bricks, constraint-based parametric design in Rhino, shape modeling for Rhino by Autodesk. Creation, analysis and modification of freeform surfaces, T-splines for Rhino by Autodesk, T-splines modeling, urban network analysis by the joint MIT-SUTD International Design Center to describe spatial patterns of cities using mathematical network analysis methods. For an extended overview of additional plugins, see http www.rhino3d.com. See also, comparison of computer-aided design editors, computer-aided industrial design. References. External links, official website, McNeel Wiki, Rhino on YouTube, Food for Rhino, Rhino plugins and Grasshopper add-ons, official Rhino blog, history of Rhino, video examples.